How to password protect folder in your Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, here I have this demo folder. Now in order to protect it without using any software, simply right click on it first. Then go to its properties. After that, go to security and then you will see an option of encrypt folder. Then, from General section, go to Advanced and here you can see Encrypt Contents to secure data. Simply check this box and then select OK. Confirm by tapping Apply. Wait for the folder to be encrypted and now the folder will be encrypted. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.